Hello everyone, here I am today. This is a Mela, Mega Mela in Manchester. So let's go see what they're up to. This Mela happens in Manchester once a year, and people come from all over the places, but it seems like I am too early and nobody is here. Yeah. Okay, hang on a sec, I've been called. Okay, the guys asked me what I'm doing. I said, I'm just gonna make a video. Well, I tell you the truth, no one's here. I'm too early, man. Let's see what's going on here. It's supposed to be full of people, man, but it's not really late. But I think the main day was Saturday, and today is Sunday. So I'm just gonna check what's happened here. Anyway, here there's some children rides. Which nothing is happening. Oh God, man, this is empty. Why is it whenever I go somewhere, there's nothing happening? I think they're not open yet. Maybe they're not ready. Okay, well, if you do want to come next time, I am really surprised, and I think I should come later on. Let's get an outdoor look. Yeah, the people look bored. Well, we've seen that, so let's go and check it out. I'm a bit hungry, so let's see. Waffles, cookies. Okay, seems like a lot of food here. Chutney kebabs. See, this is all happening in England, boys. Like I said, not many people, nothing going on right now. Okay, pani puri or 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗃. Oh God, I'm getting hungry now. I'm getting hungry. Okay, Chinese style. All right, let's check it out, man. Pretty empty. I'm well early, but never mind. As you know, you can see this is called Platfield Park, which is on 𝗵𝗲𝗀 Road, which is also known as 𝘁𝗵𝗲𝗀. The reason they call that 𝘁𝗵𝗲𝗀 is because in 1 mile radius, or 1 mile actually, all you see is the restaurants. They are Pakistani, Indian, Bangladeshis, all the restaurants are there. And these are some clothes stores. Supposed to be. I should have come yesterday. But I think later on, maybe after 3 o'clock or something. Sunday morning, people are asleep really, aren't they? It's supposed to be, this park is supposed to be full, and the children ride the other side like you've seen. But no children. Mind you, it's also a bit gloomy and it's, you know, raining a bit. There's a police here to help you guys. And our police like the full information. Huh? Oh, they're recruiting. You want to join the police? Come join here. I bet they want a lot of Asians. 𝗀𝗶𝗱𝗁 is full of Asians. Dominated Asian area actually. So something will happen there as well. Maybe later on we can come and check. Okay, something going on in there. Oh, this is old ladies thing. Anyway. Oh well, a little disappointed. Maybe I'll come later on and then see what's going on. You gotta see this beautiful church, the building. That was a Srilanka Mega Mela, which is nothing going on right now. I think Uncle Bob here. I came too early, man. Too early. So we'll check it out later on if I have time for this. Okay, you guys have fun, and I will speak to you later. Hello guys. Hi everyone. It's Uncle Bob here. I hope you're enjoying my adventures. Only little ones, but still. Please do subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon on the right so you can get all my latest videos. Enjoy and have fun. I will see you very soon. Thank you.